This is sick.
Alright, fire fans, this is what we are going to do. Everybody do a big round of applause for Andre jumping real quick.
Let's go, Andre!
Alright, so Andre is going to sound the alarm. Alright, but what he has in his hand right there is the supporters act. So Andre, every time you lift it up, everybody in the crowd is going to yell fire. Alright? Fire, and I'm talking about everybody. Andre, you ready? Let's do it, baby. Lift it up. Fire!
Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Oh, he wants to be like an alarm. Fire! 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 That's sick.
I need you to make some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! Pull it down! We got our own. I like it. That's sick.
Better than that fucking fun horn.